Have you been struggling with your weight for years? Have you tried all of the diets and the programs and the pills and the fads and the gimmicks and still are struggling with your weight? Maybe you've lost weight and now you've hit a plateau and you're trying to figure out how to get off that last 10 or 15 pounds. I get it. I've been in your shoes. My name is Jen Beck. I'm the founder of Complete Health Revolution and the creator of Drop a Dress Size in 3 weeks. And I know the frustration and the challenges of trying to lose weight and getting stuck. And so I created Drop a Dress Size in 3 weeks so that you can break through a lot of the confusion and the chaos and all of the conflicting information when it comes to losing weight and finally get the results that you deserve, right? You deserve to live in the clothes that you love. You know, those ones that have been hanging in the back of your closet for years, right? You deserve to love the way that you look in a pair of skinny jeans. And you deserve to have amazing energy so you can do all of the things that are important to you throughout the course of the day. And that's what Drop a Dress Size has been created for. So join me on the next 3 weeks where you can and will drop a dress size when you follow these simple strategies. And I'm going to be in your inbox showing up to support you every step of the way. So just click the link below and we'll get started.